In a softly lit nursery, Maya the curious baby sniffs and smiles as a tiny itch blooms. She sneezes with a giggle, tumbles gently, and turns the stumble into a playful roll that draws imaginary cheers. Her pastel onesie displays the idiom spilled beans, reminding viewers that tiny secrets can be shared with a wink. The moment shifts into a cozy game as Maya discovers a mirror reflection, showing a brave explorer ready for new adventures. The episode ends with a warm hush, a twinkling lullaby, and a final sneeze sealing the day with joy.